In my last video, you have seen me sketching a denim kameez with dupatta and palazzo pants. You must have understood how much priority people are giving on the quality of the fabrics. If you have missed my last video, then don't worry. You can click on the I button provided here and see the complete video, and then after watching the whole video, you can come back on this video. In that way, the concept will be much more clearer to you. Hello guys, I'm Ritesh Gua and welcome to another episode of Designing with Ritesh Gua. Let's start. Before we start the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Please don't forget to like and share my video among your friends and relatives to encourage me in making new and exciting videos for you. One request for you, please don't skip the video and watch the video till the end, otherwise the concept won't be clear to you. Coming back to the topic, if we are talking about hygiene and safety, cotton and khadi are the most demanded fabrics. Since khadi is hand woven, the rugged texture makes it comfortable to be worn during summers as well as winters. In today's video, we will sketch a gown made up of khadi fabric with light embroidery and threading. The cut of the gown is asymmetrical and layered, and the neckline fits a stand collar. The sleeve is stylized bell with Lego mutton cap and hanging beads at the hem. Let's see the sketching process. So that was how I sketched a khadi gown. I hope you have watched the whole video and understood the process. If you really liked my video, then please share it among your friends and relatives to encourage me in making new and exciting videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you very much.